This is how it ends for Bitcoin. Choking chart analysis. Yes, the chart we are going to show you today, guys, is a choking chart. So make sure to watch that video from the start till the end without skipping any part of it. As you see, guys, the weekly candle here, it finished. The Bitcoin give us another weekly red candle here. If we came and we zoom it here, what we have here, another red weekly candle here. But guys, we still inside that inside bar as we show you before, inside the range of it here in the weekly. So till now we haven't breaking down here for us to know the Bitcoin is going to fall down, and we haven't go back and we're breaking above here for us to know the Bitcoin is going to go more higher. So there is nothing yet. By the way, guys, before we continue, I want that video to reach to 100 like, guys. And know you can do it. You've done it before. So please, my friend, if you haven't smashed the like button, go now and smash it and write with it a comment. Tell us your thought about Bitcoin. What are you thinking? That we are going to go more higher, or that 108k here, it be in the top? You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much. And you, if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can even join our VIP Discord where we give a long-term swing trading and day trading signals. As just now we enter a long scalping as you see it, guys. We put stop loss here at 92,207 and take profit here at 95,037 because we still have a long open. So we want to go back equal. Then we're going to close everything. Then we're going to wait till after the new year for us to go back to day trade. That one is going to be the last trade in 2024. Also, we are very, very transparent with you. We enter a long yesterday. We showed to you in yesterday video the market dump on us. We enter a long scalping. So if the market go back to the place of our entry, we're going to close it, or just go back to 50%. We are going to close everything. So if you are interested in those type of signals, the link of our Patreon is it down in the description of that video. If you want exactly to make money, also we're managing the trades with you, we give you solutions, we give you a lot of things. If you want to make money with us, the link of our Patreon is it down in the description of that video, and in the first comment, click at it. You're going to land here in our Patreon. You click at join, you finish the payment process. Inside Patreon there is a video going to show you all the steps till you're going to be in our VIP Discord. If you're facing any problem, my friend, you can text me either here in Patreon, in the free Discord, in the free Telegram. All the links, you're going to find them down in the description of that video. You've done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, we still have here that inside bar. You see that big red weekly candle here. That one here is an inside bar because all those previous candles here about 3 weeks before inside the range of that candle, and even weekly candle we just finished it, is it inside the range of that one. So we got here an inside bar. That one also we're going to look at it. If we're going to break the lower of it, that's when the Bitcoin is going to fall down at least to here 74k. That of course if it happened. Second scenario, if the Bitcoin came back and breaking above here, and me I tell it to you, maybe today we're going to see some moves because today the market is open, but after that it's going to be closed. But also that's not our topic. We came here to analyze for you in the weekly what the Bitcoin going to do from here. We got many things here in the weekly. We start from here. First thing, if we break in from here, the Fibonacci retracement tail down here. If you're looking with me here, we touch that 1.61. That one here is a place where you should take profit. And as you see it, because traditional market investors, they took in the profit here. That's why we saw the market dumping again here. That's the first scenario, guys. Second scenario, it might even from here going to go back to that 2.61, which is above here. That number one. Another thing we can do now here at that level here for us to know where is the Bitcoin going to make those corrections where we are now. We can do it like that based on Fibonacci retracement from here till here like that. So we got a level here of 1.61 exactly here at 88 or 89k, or maybe the Bitcoin is going to fall down to touch that 89k or 88k, then after to go above. Even that one it's possible, guys. Second scenario, we can do something else. If we want to know the levels, we need to focus on them. The coming days, we came from that one here till the top like that. As you see, we just touch here 0.236. We got another level here at 0.38. I will tell you the levels, of course. 0.382 is it exactly at 86k. We got another level here, 0.5 at 78k. We got 0.61, 71k, and that one here between 0.5 and 0.61, that the golden zone. So if we're going to have a dump, it's going to fall down till down here, then after to go above. And ask me, I just show you maybe to the last low here. Even that one, it's possible, guys. How many percentage is going to lose if we dump till there? That's very, very important, guys. We're going to lose 31%, and the Bitcoin in any correction, he make 30% correction. That's what the Bitcoin doing exactly every time. So from that 108k till that low here of 74k, as I just show you, where is the golden zone based on Fibonacci retracement, is it at that level, that 30%, guys. If we came and we see in the past what we see in even here, that 30%, guys, the Bitcoin also we still in a bull, guys. You need to remember that 30%, as you see it here, from that peak here till lower here, that 30%, same thing now. Maybe there is another 30% correction, because as me have been showing you, the Bitcoin doesn't go just like that. It always make those corrections. But guys, as we still waiting now for us to confirm for us is going to make that 30% correction, it's need the Bitcoin to fall down to break for us the lower of that inside bar. So I think I explained everything why me I said that level there, because if you came here and we do it how else we do it before, look at it here. We came from that low here till that last high here, that one, and we came and we draw in here the golden zone. The golden zone is going to be here between 0.5 and 0.6 or 0.61. That where is the golden zone, guys. If we calculating from the top here till lower here, it's 30%. Exactly, it's going to be between 77k till 69k. That, of course, if it's going to happen, that correction. So I think I explained everything, how you're going to benefiting from those corrections and those things. We told you what to do to join our VIP Discord. Now what we have here, another thing very, very important, guys, you don't need to miss it, is it that one here. That uptrend, if we're going to touch it, is going to fall down that 30% as we're talking about. Another very, very important thing here, what is it? Is the moving averages, the simple ones. Where is the 20 moving average now? Is it exactly at 77k? And the 50 moving average, is it exactly at 68k? And both of them, they are in that golden zone. So if the 30% is going to fall down, we're going to fall down to one of that two moving averages, the 20 moving average or the 50 moving average, guys. Let me have told you there is a correction going to happen, not 100%, guys, but all the analysis, all the chart, they're telling us maybe there is a correction going to happen. Even we got here a divergence, we show it to you before. We don't need to go back and show you everything here, like how we show you that the divergence, as we told you before, that the divergence, guys, as we show it to you before like that, and we told you look at it, that the divergence, it's being here in a thumbnail of a video here in the channel, that the divergence as we got here in the weekly, like how it happened here before. As you see it, guys, here we got a divergence. Now the $1 million question, that also we're going to make a correction of 30% or it's going to be more than that, and that 108k it be in the top. Not yet, guys, that it's not the top. Why? Because if we came here to those chart and we draw something very, very important, guys, look with me here in the weekly. I know today video is going to be a little bit long, but you need to focus it with me and to bear with me, guys. Over here, that when it happened, the halving cycle, it happened exactly 20 of April. So always you calculating 500 days before the halving and 500 days after the halving. That when it's going to be the top. 500 days after the halving, guys. It also we passed 500 days. If you see that arrow here, tail here, if you see it here, it will not give you here in the weekly 500. It gives also 504. That when is going to be the top. So it's still very early, guys, and it's left to another yearly candle which is green. That's why I told you it's going to be only 30% correction, guys, because even here we make here that bigger correction, then we go back to the top. So if that 108k is going to be the top, we're going to have a correction maybe to here, then after that the Bitcoin going to go back to 108k. I think I explained everything to you guys. Now let's go into see it coming news for all the week. So let's go in there to see it. Coming news for all the week, guys. As you see it, we started from here. Monday, we got the market which is open. We got all US market and even Europe markets, they are open. We got Chicago PMI. And it will not affect cryptocurrency. Tuesday, what we got, guys, as you see it here. We got New Year close, guys. It's going to happen very early, and me, I will not trade till Tuesday. Me, maximum Monday, I will close all my trade. If they are in wins or lose, I will close everything. Yes, the cryptocurrency, they being open, but Monday is the last day of trading, guys, and you need to be careful about that one. Wednesday, what we got, a holiday of the New Year. That means there is nothing going to happen that day. Yes, it's going to happen major moves, guys, because the yearly candle close, but you need to be careful. Even the monthly candle close, all that is going to create a huge volatility, so you need to be careful. Remember those things very, 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 very well. Then we're going to go back to normal market in Thursday. We got Japan market holiday. USA is going to be open. We got initial jobless claim, SP Global, US manufacturing, ISM, manufacturing PMI, and crude oil inventory. That ISM is going to affect US dollar, so it's going to affect even the cryptocurrency. Friday, same thing. We got ISM, even that one is going to affect the US dollar and is going to affect even cryptocurrency. Over here is our friend, the table of odds, as we're looking at it every day, guys. Look at it. There is nothing to make you be worried or something like that. US market, of course, is closed. Also, we came here because of our friend, the VIX. As you see it, 15.95. That means there is nothing to be worried about. Also, we haven't touched 20 and we haven't touched 12. So everything, it looks stable. Also, we are in the middle of the fair. There is nothing to be worried about, guys. Just hold your crypto or your stock and relax. There is nothing to be worried about. So I think I explained everything. Now let's go into see Bitcoin we're doing today in daily, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in daily, guys. Here in Bitcoin in daily, Bitcoin it gives us here a continuation pattern in a very, very, very stronger level, as you see it, guys. Should we enter a short? For short, as we still waiting, as we show you before, that one here. The neckline of that head and shoulder, how we started, as you see it, that one here is very clear head and shoulder, guys. We still waiting it to be broke for us to catch that 30% as we talking about. We told you maybe that one. Second thing is it that one here, that level here. We need to look at it, what the Bitcoin going to do here, because that is a very, very stronger supply and demand zone. We got now here a downtrend like that, guys. So for you to enter along, you need to wait and even that one to be broke for you to catch another entry long, guys. So I think I explained everything. Another very, very important thing here in daily, that one is very, very important. Let me show it to you. Is it that one here, guys? You see that continuation pattern where it happened. It happened below the 50 moving average. What the view, the Bitcoin is going to fall down to touch that 100 moving average, which is down at 81k, guys. You see it? Always if the Bitcoin give us here today a green candle and cross above, that's another story. But based on those candles here, Bitcoin is telling us we are falling down to touch 81k, and me I just told you 77 till 65k. That where is exactly me thinking the Bitcoin is going to fall down. I just show you everything in the weekly chart. Just go back without skipping and watch everything there. Everything is well explained. So I think I explained everything. I was going to see it Bitcoin we're doing today in 12 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in the Bitcoin here in 12 hours. Same thing, like everything in daily and weekly, everything telling us the Bitcoin is going to dump here. Even here, we touch here the 100 moving average. Now it's showing to us, as me I just show you, 81k, and that's what it's telling us here. We still have here that head and shoulder, as we waiting it to be broke here. The one here is going to be broke here. You can catch another short here to go more down with it. You can go to lower time frames to catch a correction, then after that to enter a short. But me, as I told you, I'm not going to trade only today, Monday, then I'm going to finish till after the new year, because me, I got a lot of bad experience with New Year's trading. Exactly those last days of the year, always it happens something, you can accept it. That way me, I'm going to stop everything. I'm going to the people, they follow me, all of them, to stop day trading. I'm not talking here about long term, I'm talking here about day trading. Day trading, you can't accept it. The market moves those days. I think I explained everything. Now let's see the levels. You need to look at them today. Levels, you need to look at them today, guys. That one here, 95,486. That level here, 102,603. And that one here, 9,808. So those was the levels. You need to look at them today. I think I explained everything. I was going to see the Ethereum we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Ethereum in the 4 hours, guys. Here the Ethereum is still sideways here. As we tell it to you, you got here a symmetric triangle like that, very clear symmetric triangle. We need to wait it where it's going to be broke. If it's breaking above, that means the Ethereum going back to 4,000. If it's breaking down here, it's going to fall down. But the only things I can't tell you here in the Ethereum, because there is nothing new here. The only thing, it try to give you here a triple bottom. If it's breaking here, you can catch another long. So now let's see our indicator what it's saying today here in the Ethereum. Here in the Ethereum, guys, it's not yet breaking the divergence downtrend, so there is nothing. You need to wait till the break happen here for you to catch a long. At this time, exactly is it in that purple line. That means there is no trading at that time. You need to wait till the right time. So I think I explained everything. Now we're going to see the Bitcoin we're doing today in 4 hours. Here we are in the Bitcoin in the 4 hours, guys. Here in the Bitcoin, we used to have here the downtrend yesterday. It's getting broke here. As we enter along, the market fall down till here. Me personally, I got stop loss exactly here at that low here. So it's not yet being hitted. I enter another long from here as scalping if the market going to go back to the top here. For me to go out, as I told you, equal or just here to 50%, then I will close it with a little bit of losses, because now I'm losing a lot. So I'm waiting the market to reverse upward. If it's not going to fall down, I'm going to close the long and I'm going to enter a short. That's my policy, guys. Sorry about that. Now what shall we do here in 4 hours, guys? Here in 4 hours, we show you here. We got here that flag here, that one, that the flag we show you before. That flag, guys, as you see it here, is getting broke. It's telling us the Bitcoin is going to fall down more than that. And that's what just me I show you in weekly, in daily, everything it's telling us. Also, we're going to make that correction. Only in the weekly, we're still waiting that inside bar to be broke. But in the daily, we're still waiting that head and shoulder. But based on moving averages in 12 hours, here in 4 hours, they're telling us the market is going to dump more than that. Also, we tell you that, we give you exactly the level. You can go back to weekly and see everything. Even here in 4 hours, we got something very important, guys. Is it that one here? Those moving averages, what they're telling us here, those first ones. They're telling us we are in a downtrend. We are below in the 200 moving average. We're still waiting that one, that white one, to cross the red one, and we're going to be official in a downtrend here. But the only things, maybe, guys, the Bitcoin from here to reverse upward. Even that one, it's possible, because also we are in a very stronger level, and that was my hope. Now I'm hoping the Bitcoin to go back to touch the 20 moving average, which is here with yellow. That's where I'm going to close the double long I got, because as I told you, I enter one long from here and one just now. If Bitcoin go back touch the 20 moving average, I'm going to close everything, and I'm going to wait till after the new year. I'm very transparent with you guys. I'm not hiding with you nothing. When us we losing, we tell it to you. When we win, we tell it to you. But guys, us all the week we are in winning trades. That the first trade in that week we're losing it. We make some mistakes, that's why us will lose until now. I think I explained everything that was going to see it. But our indicator we're saying today here. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it's telling us we are officially in a downtrend. Maybe that one is going to fall down again to touch extreme oversold areas. As told you last time, from here in normal days us we buy, but now there is no buying yet. We need to wait in to see what's going to happen in the coming hours. So that said, guys, now it's going to see the Bitcoin we're doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So all is going there. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. Also yesterday we enter from here, and may show you here that flag here, yes or no, that the mistakes us we make when it's getting broke here. That time here it was 12 o'clock GMT. That time me being sleeping, I missed that entry short till down here. Although I close it here, but me now I'm thinking the Bitcoin from here is going to reverse upward. Why me I'm thinking that? Because if you're looking with me here at our indicator, guys, we got here a divergence, a smaller one here, as you see it here. We got a smaller divergence, but there is no price action yet telling us the Bitcoin is going to reverse. Now what you need to do, I'm going to do like that, guys. I'm going to come to that low here, the one. If the Bitcoin breaking that low here, I'm going to close all the longs. Maybe I can enter another short, maybe not. For the long, I'm going to do like that last high here, and I'm going to wait in if the Bitcoin going to give me here a price action and breaking above here for me to catch a long. So I think I explained everything to you guys. So that's it for that video, and please guys, if you like our content, please make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if it's possible, share that video with your friend and your family. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.